Alright, here we are at another bike park here. We're in Bloomington today. And to be honest with you, I forgot what the name of the bike park is called, but we'll figure it out is no way. But the thing is, I have to shoot for IU Bloomington. I gotta shoot some drone footage for them in like an hour, so I don't have much time, so we will not waste time, and we will get straight to it. Let's see, is my seat's still down? Yeah. All right. Ooh. There we go. Ooh. Let's go the easy way today. Ooh, I like this. It just has a little arrow that tells you which way is the easy way. So that's pretty cool. This is pretty. Looks like it's I gotta get to my chute.